You've seen the headlines: leave the US now, free flight, $1,000 on arrival. Before you press accept, here's what DHS doesn't want you to overlook. One tap in the CBP Home app could bar you from returning for years. Stick with me. I'll walk you through exactly what the fine print says and why this voluntary departure might cost you more than you think. Hi, I'm Zaira Solano, founder of Solano Immigration Law Firm, and here's the real deal. When the government offers you money to leave, it's not a gift. Launched on May 5, 2025, through the CBP Home app, previously known as the CBP One app, you can now apply for cost-free travel, a $1,000 exit bonus, and civil fines forgiven after confirming arrival in your home country. Participants are also deprioritized from detention and removal while preparing their departure. This program exists because DHS estimates that a traditional deportation process costs over $17,000 per person, and they claim that this program will reduce that cost by about 70%. In order to participate in this program, you first need to download the CBP Home app. Then you need to submit an intent to depart, and then DHS handles your travel documents and booking, typically within about 21 days. After DHS confirms your return via the app, they'll pay you $1,000. The program is open to non-criminal, undocumented immigrants, parolees whose status expired, and individuals with terminated TPS. Even if you're in immigration court, DHS may file to dismiss your case as part of this program. This is actually still a form of removal, not an exit with rights. Under immigration law, if you have been unlawfully present in the United States for 180 days to less than 1 year, you will face a 3-year re-entry ban after you leave, even if you leave on your own without any type of deportation order. If you've been here unlawfully for 1 year or more, then it's a 10-year ban. Re-entry is not guaranteed. You'll need to apply for a waiver proving extreme hardship in order to come in before the 3 or 10-year bar. And this is only if you qualify for a waiver, because not everyone qualifies. The CBP app collects personal data, including your name, your photo, your nationality, your date of birth, contact information, and if you're exiting by land, your location and departure photo. By opting in, you're waiving your due process rights. This means no court hearing, no asylum application, no appeal, even if you would otherwise qualify. Critics argue that this isn't really voluntary. It's positioned as a choice, but in reality, many are choosing between this and the threat of ICE raids, detention, family separation, or forced removal, which carries even more bans than the ones I mentioned before. It's pressure wrapped in a payout. The bottom line is that yes, the offer is real. You leave, they pay you $1,000, and your fines are waived. But it wipes your slate clean at the cost of your future in the United States. There's no court review, no protection, no guarantee that you'll be able to come back to the United States. It's not a path home, it's a path out, and maybe a one-way ticket. Think hard before trading your rights for this short-term benefit. In my next video, I'll break down the recent Supreme Court decision on visa revocations and how it could create new legal openings or block them. That ruling affects millions of immigrants, and it's key context if you're weighing options now or for the future.